So let's talk about Cardano's 2022 highlights. Been a lot of stuff happen to Cardano and obviously to ADA in the process of 2022. Okay, and we're going to get into that in this video. As always, thank you for your support of this channel, ClearCryptos. My name is Austin Hilton. If you're not familiar with me, I actually have a YouTube channel here on my own. I cover crypto every single day. So if you're interested in just, hey, more Austin, who wouldn't be? Kidding, of course. You can just YouTube my name. It's right there. There you go. And you can go find it here on YouTube. But I support this company, ClearCryptos, because quite simply they have a strategic vision and their execution of basically helping to make crypto better for every single person involved today, as well as down the stream. And they are going to be doing some amazing things. So check them out. Links in the description below. Okay, so let's get into Cardano's 2022 highlights. Here we go. Okay, it's been a really big year for Cardano, and here's a list of some of the things that have been basically mentioned by the Cardano Foundation and some of the big things. Look, impressive on-chain growth, number of native tokens, wallets, Plutus scripts, transactions, and delegated wallets went up by a tremendously high percentage. Okay, these are all the relative percentages respectively. So like number of wallets up, looks like it would be 47%, Plutus scripts up 394, and so forth and so forth. Okay, and delegated wallets up 27+%. A tremendous amount of new partnerships and collaborations. In fact, I saw a stat the other day that talked about the fact that 1,150 projects have now been deployed on the Cardano blockchain, which is pretty massive and significant. Cardano Summit, well, in 2022 was a big one held in Switzerland, and they misspelled Switzerland in this article. So there you go. Don't tell nobody. Okay, taking place in 20 plus events around the world, and 50 SIPs, Cardano improvement proposals, have been reviewed. So a lot. And beyond that, let's take a look real quickly at the actual currency itself, the cryptocurrency that is ADA. Okay. Right now trading at 25 cents. Now, quite frankly, obviously Cardano Ada has been decimated by all the ravaging. That's my very picturesque words today that has happened in crypto in 2022. If you look at kind of like the last year, obviously this move down was a direct corollary to the entire move down in crypto, right? Where you had you had the entirety of crypto go from $2.5+ trillion in market capitalization to 800 billion, approximately where it's at right now. But Cardano was peak in actually, it's like it peaked on January 17th at $1.59, and it's since moved down and now is a quarter. I mean, come on, let's talk about it. Cardano at a quarter. I mean, that's not bad. All right, so that's what I got for you. Big year for Cardano, but quite frankly, obviously, price of the token is at an all-time discounted level. Not a bad level. Again, not investing advice, of course, right? So if you're interested in learning more about Clear, links in the description below. Check them out. I will see you. Have a good one.